People are scrambling to make it home after the Thanksgiving holiday as it continues to snow out here. 22 News reporter Katrina Kincaid spoke with people at Bradley International Airport today who were flying on one of the busiest travel days of the year.
Traveling can be a pain at any time of the year, but especially on the busiest day on record with a snowstorm looming.
Watch for the weather, and I knew that my flight was leaving early, so I knew that I didn't have any fear because I know that the conditions are supposed to get worse in the afternoon, so I was straight.
According to one U.S. airplane trade organization, over 3 million people are expected to fly the Sunday after Thanksgiving, making it the busiest travel day ever for airlines. That might get even trickier with the start of a multi-day snowstorm expected to cause delays and cancellations. But those who got their flights in early today had it easy.
I thought the storm was coming this morning. I thought that the flight might be delayed or canceled, and then the pilot kept saying, oh, there's turbulence here and there's turbulence there, and I was like, uh-oh. But then I didn't see the storm, and I got here and I was like, what happened to this big snowstorm everybody was talking about?
Once on the ground, though, the storm began taking its toll. Ride-hailing apps benefited from the travel boost at Bradley International Airport Sunday morning.
From a split second of waiting for my bag, it went up from $45 to $78. So currently waiting it out because I don't want to pay $80 for an Uber.
MassDOT issued a travel advisory for people heading home from Thanksgiving travel on Sunday or to work on Monday due to the snowstorm. People driving back from holiday plans should take extreme caution if driving during the snowstorm. In Windsor Locks, Katrina Kincaid, 22 News.